Hey everyone, Josh here, and today I'm doing a video on my water heater pickup. Well, this guy goes through heaps of water heaters. I come here every couple of weeks. Yeah, I'm gonna do a bit of a time lapse of loading up, so here we go. Alright, so I'm all loaded up now, and I'm gonna take these into the scrapyard. Probably got 2.5 ton. These aren't worth as much as clean steel, but still get a bit for them. Also, I got these panels here. I got 4 of the solar water heaters, so I'm going to take them home and pull the copper out of them, which adds up to a bit. So yeah, it's a pretty good customer. This is where I get my copper water heater tanks from, and yeah, they're really good people, so I don't mind coming here and helping them out. Plus it helps me out too with a bit of work. But anyway guys, that'll be it for this one, and I'll see you on the next one.